Let us now deliberate very well. I want to ask the Ghanaians, the Ghanaian government, the Ghanaian police, the Ghanaian immigration, South Africa, South African police, South African immigration. What did exactly Nigerians did to you? Every time, either the police will be raking Nigerians in Ghana or the immigration will be raking them in Ghana, in these two countries, but especially Ghana. Let us leave South Africa alone because South Africa is far, far more, far more from East Africa. Ghanaians, the Ghana, I know Ghana people love Nigerians, but Ghanaian police and Ghanaian immigration, especially the Ghanaian army, they are not there. What did Nigerians do to you people? Right from 1970, people older than then have gone, but the new generation, there is no problem with Nigeria and Ghana. Till now, what is exactly what Nigeria did to you? I'm just asking this question for you people to answer me on the comment section. Ghanaians have become a threat to our people, Nigerians. But we love Ghanaians very well. The Ghanaian wood, that's Ghana wood, is formed from Nigeria by Van Vick Ademo, Majid Michael, and so many other of them that are the superstars in Ghana. They are from Nigeria. But I remember when I wanted to come to Ghana to shoot a movie as a movie producer, the tariff Ghanaian people was giving us there, not only me, it affected others. The people that went to shoot before they came back, they told us their experience in Ghana. That is why I did no longer go carry my movie to Ghana. We wanted to build that ties between Ghana wood and Nollywood. But Ghana government start giving us a very hashtag, bad one, bad hashtag. That led to Nigerian Nollywood jettisoning Ghanaian actors and actresses. That is why you don't see them in Nigerian films. But Nigerians are the maker of this Ghana wood. Because there is no how you'll be treating me bad and come to my house and stay peacefully now. Now, those people are in Ghana now. The way they were making money in Nigeria is not the same way. Because Nigerian movies have gone wide. It has been recognized internationally than Ghanaian films. How many Ghanaian films? How many Ghanaian artists are known? Yes, there are ones that are known, but how many? They are very few. But look at Nigeria. Nigeria is trending all over the world. When I traveled to America, Nigerian songs was raining there. When I traveled to India, Nigerian songs was there. They like them. They sing in the public places. They do it. They use it as their tones. When I traveled to Kenya, it was Nigerian films they are watching. Even to the extent that the government of Kenya about 2 or 3 years ago said they will now be watching Kenyan movies and leave Nigerian movies. But what happened? Their radio station, their TV station started crying. Till today, they are crying because there is nothing good to watch. It is not only this country. I have traveled wide in different countries. Nigerian movies and Nigerian films are top-notch. But I don't know what they did to us. Does it mean that they are the most criminal people? No. There are some in Ghana. Does it mean that they are the most criminal people? No. There are some in South Africa. Let me tell you people something. Let me tell you people something. Without the West Africa, Africa is just zero. Without the West, And we should learn how to love ourselves and leave this bickering and rancor alone, because it has no good to give us. Look at it now. Burkina Faso and the three brothers, they have gone from ECOWAS. How many is remaining in Africa that we should be fighting ourselves? We are just brothers. If we offend each other, we learn how to forgive each other. That is it. And that is my submission. Ghanaians should see Nigerians as brothers. Nigerians should see Ghanaians as brothers and sisters. Have you heard in recent time that Ghanaians were treated bad in Nigeria, or treated any ethnicity bad in Nigeria? Nigeria doesn't treat people bad. Nigeria is a level ground. You can come and do your business no matter where you come from. No police is chasing you. No immigration is chasing you. But whenever we get to Kenya, that is how police will be chasing us. South Africa, that is how they will be chasing us. If you go to Ghana, that is how Ghanaian police will be chasing us. Ghanaian immigration will be chasing us. Even up to the extent of closing their doors when they have paid everything they are supposed to pay. They close their offices. Is it right? Ghanaians and Nigerians who are there, other countries who are in Ghana, please, if I am speaking wrong, comment on the comment section is wrong. That Ghanaians are not treating Nigerians bad. If Nigerians are the only criminals that is in the world, if there is no thief in Ghana, comment there is no thief in Ghana, it's only Nigerians. Let us learn how to love ourselves. There is bad things everywhere. Thieves are everywhere. Good people are everywhere. Everybody cannot be thief. Don't generalize issues. God bless all of you. This is wonderful love, and we keep proclaiming love till Jesus comes. God bless you.